Dive into the world of cinematic sound with the beFree Sound 5.1 channel Bluetooth surround sound speaker system in striking black. Boasting an impressive 80 W total output power, this system delivers a powerful 30 W from the subwoofer and 10 W from each of the 5 satellite speakers. The frequency response spans from a deep 40 Hz to a crisp 20 kHz, ensuring a full audio spectrum experience. The sleek design isn't just for show, it complements the smooth sound that this speaker system offers. With Bluetooth, USB, and SD memory card compatibility, as well as FM radio capability, it's a versatile audio hub for your entertainment needs. Seamlessly connect your devices and immerse yourself in the ultimate home theater experience. The 5.25-inch amplifier and 5.3 satellite speakers contribute to a well-balanced audio output. The package includes essential components such as an audio cable, 3 DVD connection cables, a user manual, and a remote control, batteries not included. Setting up your home theater has never been easier. Notable features like a 50 dB separation and a signal-to-noise ratio of 75 dB ensure clear and distortion-free audio. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite tunes, the beFree Sound 5.1 channel speaker system promises an audio journey that elevates your entertainment to new heights. Get ready to transform your living room into a personal cinema with this impressive surround sound system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.